Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mamaboi's menu, we are making broccoli cucumber salad. This healthy broccoli salad has the perfect tangy dressing without mayo. Guys, if you are looking for a quick, simple and healthy side dish, this is one I highly recommend. It's so simple to make and it tastes absolutely amazing. So let's get started. To start, bring a medium-sized pot of salted water to a boil. Carefully place the broccoli in the boiling water and let cook for 1 minute or 2 minutes for a more tender texture. I cooked mine for 1 minute. Now we're gonna remove the broccoli with a slotted spoon or spider strainer. Immediately place the broccoli in the ice bath to stop the cooking process. After 1 minute, use a slotted spoon to remove the broccoli from the ice bath and place it on a colander lined with paper towels. Set that aside. Now let's move on to work on the garlic vinaigrette. There you have it, guys. Healthy broccoli cucumber salad. This salad is bright, crunchy, fresh, and tangy. Absolutely delicious. It will become your go-to broccoli salad recipe from now on. I hope you will try it. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.